Welcome to the homework solution tutorial on 2A through 2C. Here I will be covering factoring out the GCF from 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a look at number 1, which is 5x squared plus 5. Think about pulling out the GCF as what they have in common. So here I see a 5 and a 5. So I would say that 5 would be my largest integer. So I could pull out 5. Can I pull out any other value here? I cannot pull out an x squared. So there you go. I would say 5, which is going to be my GCF, and what is left inside the parentheses. What's inside the parentheses is after I do that division. So 5 divided by 5, leaving you with an x squared. 5 divided by 5, bring down the plus sign. 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So there you go. It would just be like that. 5 parentheses x squared plus 1. Next, the same process. Here, I see the number 3 and the number 9. Can I divide it just by 9? No. Okay, because you cannot do 3 divided by 9. Right? It doesn't come out as a whole number. So the biggest number here is 3 that I can divide by. Okay, and again, let me keep that in red to help you visualize it. Okay, so the GCF here is out in front. I just wrote GCF and showing the arrow. Okay, then what is left on the inside? So 3 divided by 3, this just becomes a 1, so it's just a squared. Bring down the negative. 9 divided by 3 is just 3. There you go. Okay, this is how the answer would look like. All right, you don't write the arrow with GCF. Okay, that's what it is. Let's do the next one. All right. Here we have the letter P, PRT. So it looks like P is what they have in common. So I could divide out P here, divide out P here. P would be, again, the GCF. And let's see what's left over. P divided by P, this just becomes a 1, not a 0, right? Because look, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Smiley face divided by smiley face is still 1. Okay, anything divided by itself is just 1, not 0. Then you have PRT divided by P, so this just becomes 1, leaving you with RT plus RT. All right, there you go. That's how it would look like. That is 1, 2, and 3.